Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna recreate hair and makeup of this look of Katrina Kaif from her new movie Bharat. So to get started, I'm first going to prime my eyelids using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow primer, and then using this Sephora miniature palette I am going to take this light brown color and sweep it all over the lid. And then using this darker brown color I am going to put it in my crease area and outer V. And then I'm going to line my eyes using Essence liquid eyeliner pen, and I'm going to do a small winged eyeliner. Moving on to the face, I'm going to prime my face using this e.l.f. face primer. For foundation, I am using L'Oreal Infallible Pro in shade 206, and for the foundation I am going to directly dot that foundation all over my face and then blend it with a beauty sponge. And for the concealer, I am using LA Gold Pro Concealer in shade Pure Beige, and I am going to apply this concealer on all the high points of my face and then blend it with a beauty sponge. For contour, I am taking this dark brown shade from Blush Contour and Highlighter palette from Makeup Revolution, and I am putting that on the hollows of my cheek, my jawline area, my forehead, and my nose. And to blend the contour, I took a big fluffy brush and pressed the bristles of that brush in between my fingers and used that to blend out my face contour. And for my nose, I use the eyeshadow brush. And for the blush, I am taking this pinkish color and going to put that on the cheekbone area. For highlighter, I'm taking this shade from Sephora miniature palette, and I'm only going to put it on high points of my cheekbone area and my brow bone. For the lips, I'm using a lip liner from Annabelle in shade 300 Spice. I'm going to use this lip liner to outline my lips and also fill them in. Now using this dark brown color from Sephora miniature palette, I am just going to tap that on top of my lip liner. And then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara, and for mascara I'm using Dior's mascara in Dior Show. Next, I'm going to use this white eyeliner pencil from NYC, and I'm going to put that in my waterline area. Then I'm going to use Smashbox setting spray to set everything. And now for the hair, I'm using Revlon curling iron, and it's a 3/4 to 1 inch curling wand. I've already washed and straightened my hair, and now I'm going to use this curling iron to get those beachy curls. I'm not following a particular method to curl my hair here, and I'm just randomly curling my hair until all of my hair is curled. And also, I just wanted to mention that this look can be achieved in so many different ways, like by scrunching your hair or by doing overnight curls. And if you want me to make a separate video about those, then please let me know in the comments box below, and I can make another video about that. Here all my hair is curled, and now I'm going to run my fingers through these curls to loosen them up a bit. And after loosening your hair, if you're not happy with your curls, and then you can always use a curl defining cream and then scrunch your hair for a minute or so, and that's going to give your curls more definition. And this is what my hair looks like in the end. But for this particular look, Katrina had her hair in a loose braid. So since I have short hair, I'm going to use extensions and then make a simple braid using my extensions. And this brings us to the final look. So I changed my outfit, popped on some earrings, and this is what it looks like with hair and makeup put together. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please let me know in the comments box below. I will see you soon in my next video. Take care till then. Bye bye for now.